So you're thinking about moving to Orange Beach, Alabama, but you're thinking to yourself, where is Orange Beach? I mean, you just don't know where it is. Well, today I'm going to take you inside the computer and show you around a little bit, show you exactly where Orange Beach is located on the map, show you, some of the things to look at, how far it is to the airport, and all that kind of good stuff. So let's just get at it. Hey guys, if this is your first time to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and ring the little bell for notifications so you can be the first one to learn about everything there is to know about living in the Orange Beach, Gulf Shores area and surrounding areas. My name is Andy Hollis with eXp Realty, along with my partner Aileen Fountain. We do these videos every week just to be informative, just to let you know everything there is to know about our little slice of paradise and everything that you need to know moving here, living here, vacationing here, just everything you need to know. So whether it's 9 days or 90 days before you're thinking about making your move, or even if you live here and you're just looking at maybe selling your condo, selling your home and relocating to a different area, or buying an investment property, please give us a call, give us a ring, shoot us a text, shoot us an email, set up a Zoom call so you can talk to us face to face. We hear from people just like you every single day, and we absolutely love it. So don't hesitate to give us a call. So, okay, guys, as I mentioned, we are going to dive inside the computer and take a look around on Google Maps and just show you exactly, what everything is about as far as Orange Beach is concerned. So I'm here inside Google Maps, and as you can see, right here is where Orange Beach is actually located. We're in the very bottom part of the state of Alabama, really, really close to Florida, and really close to Mississippi, believe it or not. We get a lot of visitors here a lot of times from different places. Like, we have what we call snowbird season where, you know, uh, we get visitors from Ohio, Michigan, all over the place, Tennessee, everybody in the world coming here, just because of, our weather is the main thing. And we've done some other videos to show you what's attractive in the area. But today we're just going to dive inside Google Maps and show you around, show you, because a lot of people think you can't afford to live at the beach, but you know that's actually not true. You actually can afford to live at the beach. Again, like I said, this is inside Google Maps. Here what we're looking at, let's kind of zoom in a little bit on it and take a look at, just to show you how close you are to the airports. um, as you can see, you are really not that far away from Mobile. You've got Mobile right here. The airport in Mobile is actually over on this side here a little bit. So you're probably about an hour and a half, maybe somewhere around there away from the airport. As far as that's concerned, it's really not that bad a drive. You can, a lot of people come all the way down to 10 and come through, or you can come straight down 59 and cut through on Gulf Shores area or come across the tollway. But I mean, there's a lot of easy ways to get here. And then as you can see, we're really not that far away from Pensacola. Pensacola is only like, 45 minutes to an hour, depending on traffic, away from Orange Beach. There's a lot of cool stuff to do in Pensacola too. So it's just a hop, skip, and a jump away. And then let's also take a look at a little bit closer, dive a little deeper into the map. As you can see, we always refer to Orange Beach as an island, and a lot of people are not aware of that fact that it's actually an island. But I'll just show you. You can see there's a bridge here, and then there's a waterway all the way around here. So actually, Orange Beach is completely considered an island. So that is why we refer to it as our little slice of paradise and our little island, is because it technically is an island. And then, like I said, right here you have the Florida line, and just to show you this area right here, that is right where the Florabama is located. And we've done a lot of videos on the Florabama. A lot of people love it. And just to kind of show you again, we'll zoom in a little further on the map and just show you exactly some of the some of the outlying areas around here, I mean, there's really some affordable housing if you don't want to live, right here on the beach. Of course, if you want to buy a condo on the beach, they do get kind of pricey. There's Turquoise Place here if you're familiar with the area. But you can actually go into some of the outlying areas, just to kind of show you. Let's see, we will. This is actually Highway 161 here. This is sort of the main drag that comes into Orange Beach area. And there's Doc Seafood. I know you've heard us refer to Doc Seafood several times on our Bushwhacker um, our Bushwhacker video. We actually, mentioned Doc Seafood because they have a pretty good bushwhacker. But then you come down here and this is Canal Road. So Canal Road takes you all the way through, and there are a lot of housing right in here. That's actually affordable housing, because you're not right on the beach. So I mean, it's really affordable housing. We're going to do some videos later, show you some of these areas, and show you what you can actually afford, right here in this area. And just take a look. I mean, you're literally not, 5 minutes away from the beach. So I mean, there's just not a bad place to live when you're talking about Orange Beach. But anyway, you come on down Canal, and then you go to, right here is actually where the wharf is located. And then this is the main bridge that comes into the Orange Beach area. And here's the toll bridge, the toll road. The toll is $2.75, unless you live here. If you have a Orange Beach address, I think the toll's like $1 for locals. So it's really not that bad a deal. But anyway, when you come through the toll road and you actually get what we call technically off the island, and you get off the island a little bit, then there's really some affordable housing out here. You've got great little areas. You've got the golf course out through here. You've got, let's get back over and show you. You've got little areas called like, what we call suburbs, little areas. So you got like Foley. So this is Highway 59 coming through Gulf Shores, and then you've got Foley Beach Express. So these are two ways to get in and out of Orange Beach. Is Foley Beach Express, and then Highway 59, which is their main drag. And on 59, you've got a lot of cool things on 59. You've got the shopping. We do have an airport in Gulf Shores. Um, you know, and I guess they're saying Gulf Shores International Airport, but they don't take commercial flights right now. At least not the big commercial flights. I think they're actually preparing the airport to do just such a thing. I'm just not sure the timeline of when that's going to happen. But as you can see, here's another bridge right here that will take you across 59 and back towards some other parts of Gulf Shores, and then also the Foley area. And as I said, the housing really gets affordable the further away from the water that you get, of course. So when you get into little areas like, you got Bon Secure, this is a great little area out here. We're going to do some videos out there as well. And then, of course, you've got the zoo here. And then you've got, like I said, so many areas where the housing is affordable. And we're going to do some of these videos and just show you later on, what is affordable in these areas. So, you know, because like I said, most people think, yeah, I can't afford to live at the beach, but you actually can. Or you can afford to live close enough to the beach to where you could, be there in 5 minutes. So I mean, it's really not as bad as people make it out to be. But anyway, here, like I said, you've got these here. Here's what I wanted to show you. Here's what you've got, these little areas. You've got Alberta, which is only, probably by car about 45 minutes from Orange Beach. You've got Foley, Alabama, which is, just right down the road. You've got Magnolia Springs. We've got Summerdale. We've got Robertsdale. You've got all these little places, Lillian, that are really affordable. And so like I said, we're going to do some of these videos and just show you exactly what you can afford in these areas, and just show you some of the greater things. um, Wanted to show you this. Just went to a website called Niche, which basically says about the population. We have a population right now of 6130, which it may be a little higher than that. I don't know when this was last updated, but these are permanent residents. So, of course, in the summertime, our population grows to 200,000 or 300,000 people, um, because you're at the beach. I mean, it is what it is. Um, Median home value you can see here is $325,000, and again, I think that's because it's so spread out that there are areas that are affordable where you can get a 4 bedroom, three bath house for in the low 500s. And then you got median rent here, which is $1,248. We're going to also do a video and show you some of the places to rent around Orange Beach. So if you want to move here and you don't think you can afford to to buy right now, or you're just not ready to buy right now, there are places to rent that you can actually afford to live here, which is like I said, 5 minutes from the beach. So it's just a great little area. And then also I wanted to show you this as far as I don't know where they get this information, but I'll take it. It says best places to retire in Alabama, number one out of 190 places that they've polled, I guess. So, just a great place to live. Um, Also wanted to show you exactly where the Mobile Regional Airport is from uh, Orange Beach. As you can see, it's right here. It's just a short little drive right out here to Orange Beach. So it's, like I said, about an hour and a half from the Mobile airport, and then you are probably about 45 minutes from Pensacola. So really easy to get in and out of. So, just a great little area. So that's going to about do it for our mapping video of the Orange Beach area. Again, if this is your first time to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and ring the little bell so you can be one of the first ones notified to learn everything there is to know about living in the Orange Beach area, Gulf Shores area, and all the surrounding areas. We're going to do some more videos real soon about the market and also about some of the outerlying areas, Foley, Alberta, Lillian, all those little areas that I was telling you about, and just show you just how affordable it is to actually live here at the beach. So until then, hope to see you around town.